Dele Farotimi, libel is not a crime. NBA schools, after Babalola police over arrest of popular lawyer. And now to the news info. The Nigerian Bar Association stated libel is no longer a criminal offence in Lagos State, criticizing the police for detaining Dele Farotimi. But maybe it's because it's no longer a libel in Lagos State. That is why they transported him to Ekiti State. Maybe it's still a crime over there. That is why he said they should bring him from Lagos State down to Ekiti State. Obviously, that man knows what he's doing. The NBA referenced the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2011 and Supreme Court ruling affirming defamation is a civil, not criminal matter. NBA President Mazi Afam Osigwe called for Farotimi's release, urging law enforcement to respect legal boundaries and citizens' rights. The Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) has strongly criticized the arrest of human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi on allegations of libel, describing the action as a violation of established legal principles in Lagos State. Highlighting the legal framework in Lagos State, the NBA stated that libel is not recognized as a criminal offence under the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2011, except it has changed. Has it changed? So why are you people arresting him, bundling him all the way to Ekiti State because he defamed somebody? According to the NBA, the law which modernized the state's criminal code omitted defamation from its provisions, treating it exclusively as a civil wrong in line with global best practices. Exactly, it's a civil crime. It's not a criminal offense that you'll not be sending him to court and that they should judge him or whatever. What should he do? Should he go and tear the book because of you? If you didn't do all those things, he will not write it there. Didn't you see other people there before you mentioned your name, or he will just come and start attacking you and say, after Babalola did this, he did that. And the things that he said you do, that is the things that you are doing already. This position has been affirmed by the Supreme Court in Aviomo v. Commissioner of Police and Anno 2021, where Justice Eileen Oguwumiju ruled that defamation ceased to be a criminal offence in Lagos State following the enactment of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2011, the NBA said in a statement. I'm sure he knew that was why he said they should bring him to Ekiti State. Very, very sure. That was why he said they should bundle him to Ekiti State. The association further criticized the Nigerian police force, emphasizing that their powers to arrest and investigate crimes are limited to offences recognized under Nigerian law. Citing sections 4 and 24 of the Police Act 2020, the NBA noted that arresting individuals for defamation in Lagos State contravenes the law. Arresting Mr. Farotimi for a matter that is not criminal under law is an affront to the rule of law and a misuse of police authority, the statement read. Osigwe's son demanded the immediate release of Dele Farotimi and urged law enforcement agencies to prioritize adherence to legal principles and protecting citizens' rights. Law enforcement must exercise its power responsibly and within the bounds of legality. Respect for human rights and the rule of law are essential to justice administration and the protection of citizens. Yes, so they should release the man because it's not a criminal law. He has not killed anybody. He only said what he thinks. He only said facts that he knows. So why are you arresting him and telling them to bring him all the way to Ekiti State? Because you know that is where you have power more. Adelowo James says, being the chairman of NBA doesn't qualify you to be judge. Why not leave the matter for a court of competent jurisdiction to judge? Kenna Ugu Michael says, you can say it several times. NBA, libel is never a crime in the law books of Nigeria. But those we believe should know the law seems not to know anything exactly. Nigeria and Nigerians are in the current mess because Nigerians are deceived into believing that there's law and lawyers in Nigeria. Lawyers in Nigeria should put off their wigs if ever they have some honor and integrity. How could a fourth place Goba candidate be declared winner and a moron who didn't win in the FCT be declared president? Silliness, exactly. They need to share that constitution to everybody for us to really know what is there, because we need to know our rights. Because some of us don't even know our rights. We don't know what the constitutions really states because they don't teach us constitution in secondary school. It's only the people that went to study law that knows it. So there are some things that the police officers will even do to you that you quote the constitution for them and say in subsection whatever. You cannot do this to me as a police officer. We really need to know. We really need to have those handbooks of constitution in this country. We need to. Ibebele Amakpakabo says, further proves that what Mr. Dele said about the manipulation of the legal system, exactly, everything he said is the truth now. He's not lying. He's saying the truth, and they know it. That is why they're angry. By the likes of this 95-year-old gun and the high-handedness of the police in their prosecutorial duties are all valid facts. Police turned into errand boys and common touts by criminal politicians who armed twists supposedly revered justice and judges and the entire legal processes, turning our entire jurisprudence on its head. There was indeed a country. Indeed, though. Everything he said was the truth. Police are errand boys, except we want to deceive ourselves. Are they not errand boys? They are errand boys. You see police officers that should be in their office doing their job, going to catch thieves and all of that. You see them carrying handbags for people. You see them carrying umbrellas for high chiefs, for kings. Why? Is that his job? His job is to protect, to secure, but you will give them umbrella to hold. You will give them bag to carry, disgracing them up and down, and you say that they are upholders of the law. Beg. Mark says, for me, the case supposed to be first heard in Lagos. Abi, he knows what he's doing now. Before he said they should carry it to Ekiti State, he knows. It is from there the Lagos courts can constitutionally transfer the case for lack of jurisdiction to another state like Ekiti, Abio. But this one is like extraordinary extradition or rendition without following due process. No, it is kidnapping. That was exactly what he did. He kidnapped the man all the way from Lagos to Ekiti State, because why can't you arrest him in Lagos first and then say, oh, okay, they should transfer it to your jurisdiction? You just kidnap the guy because you have power. Because of this, Babalola may likely lose the case if he doesn't have executive backup. Beko Agabra says, since libel is not a criminal case, why is he still in police custody? Please let me ask you. Help me ask you. It is well. Taiwo Oshedu says this should be the reason why he was arrested in Ekiti. The book will not be read in Lagos alone, but all over Nigeria. If you don't want them to write anything bad about you, be a good person. Because obviously, if you did not do all those things, and you're even showing us proof, you are showing us evidence that all those things he wrote, you actually did them. Justice Clem says, NBA, thank you for lecturing a son that doesn't seem to know which one is civil and criminal again. Secondly, the zombies that are being pushed by the politicians and allies are like, yes, so. Oludimo Olubenga says, Babalola has justified the publication that Babalola corrupts judiciary even to the level of Supreme Court. Yes, so. Babalola's corrupt judicial practices. Even to the level of Supreme Court, Baba as a son will not claim he is not aware that libel is not a criminal case, but because police has probably been settled and the magistrate that gave the detention order of Dele Farotimi has collected cola from Baba, made him to make that ridiculous order. Yes, now he knows what he's doing, and everything that Farotimi said about him is obviously the truth and nothing but the truth. They should release the man. He didn't commit any criminal offense. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.